so for today we will discuss what is work in dynamics. So work is a transfer of energy from one thing to another. It results from applying force over a distance. So you often see the expression just simply saying work is equals to force multiplied by the displacement. So we say that the work done by a force is the product of displacement and the component of the force that's in line with the displacement. So sometimes you will see work is capital U. Written like this, it's just F times S. But this is slightly incomplete. This is assuming the forces in the line with the direction that the object is going to be moving. So it's a little bit more complete to write U is equals to F cosine theta multiplied by S. Wherein the theta is the angle between the F and the direction of the F is moving. I will draw two illustrations for us to further understand it. In this example, for example, the force will be 10 Newton and the distance will be 5 meters. So using the formula, work is equals to force multiplied by the distance, we can say that work is equals to 10 Newton multiplied by 5 meters. So it will give us work is equals to 50 Newton meter and also equal to 50 joules. So in this one, we can see that the direction of the force is not on the same direction of the travel. So we can use the formula work is equals to force cosine theta multiplied by the displacement. So work is equals to 10 Newton cosine 40 degrees multiplied by 5 meters. So the work is equal to 38.30 joules. So for us to know if we will use cosine theta or sine theta, we can simply locate the component of the force by simply doing so. If the direction of the force is this one, we can use sine theta, and for this one this is cosine theta.
Hello everyone, I'm Arey Jay Magat, a civil engineering student at Don Honorable State University. For today's video, I will give a basic solving problem about work. So, what are we waiting for?
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, I'm Arey Jay Magat, a civil engineering student at Don Honorable State University. So ngayong video, ang gagawin natin ay magsusolve. Magsusolve tayo ng mga basic problem solving about work. So, ano pang hinintay natin? Tara, solve na! O, diba? Ang ganda ng transition natin. So, yan yun na yun. So, bago tayo mag-start, share ko lang yung format kung paano namin sinusolve yung bawat problem sa school namin. So, meron tayong tinatawag na GRESA. So, meron tayong acronym na GRESA. G is for the given, R for the required or or the unknown. E for the equation or the formula. S, alam na alam nyo, solution. And lastly, the A. A stands for answer or the final answer. So, tara ulit. Transition. Okay. So, for our first problem, a person pulls a block 2 meters along the horizontal surface by a constant force 20 Newton. Determine the work done by the force F acting on the block. So, sabi ko nga kanina, gumagamit kami ng gresa. Gresa. So, our given we have the force F. So, sa force F natin, meron tayong 20 Newton. Then, meron tayong displacement. Na 2 meters. And then, meron tayong angle. Angle theta equals like 0. Then, ano ba yung required natin? Or yung unknown, or yung hinahanap dun sa problem natin. So, dun sa problem natin, hinahanap yung work. Yan. Hinahanap si work. Then, sunod natin ay E. O yung equation. So, equation, ito yung tutulong sa atin na kung paano natin isusolve yung problem. So, meron tayong formula na work the work equals to force times distance times cosine theta or yung angle natin. Then, solution. So, kailangan natin ng solve. Kailangan natin ng solution. So, for our solution, syempre, i-rewrite na natin yung equation. Yan, nare-write ko na. So, yung mga given natin na mabigay, i-transpose lang natin doon. So, meron tayong force na 20. Meron tayong displacement, 2. At meron din tayong cosine, 0. 0 degree. Then, solve na natin. So, W equals, meron tayong 20 times 2 times cosine 0 degree. Kaso, syempre, kailangan na natin i-calculate kung ano nga bang value ng cosine 0 degree. So, para sa value ng cosine 0 degree is 1. So, 20 times 2 times 1 equals 40 Newton meter. Or, pag sinabing Newton meter, Joule yun. So, for our final answer, we have 40 joules. So, napaka-basic, di ba? So, we now proceed to our problem number 2. So, ito na naman yung high-tech natin transition. So, for our number 2 basic problem solving about work is this. A body falls freely from rest from a height of 2 meters. If acceleration due to the gravity is 9.81 meter per second squared, determine the work done by the force of the gravity. So, gagamit ulit ng rest. So, rest up. Una, rest. Given. So, ano nga ba yung mga given natin doon sa problem natin na makikita dito sa taas? So, una, meron tayong object mass or M na equals kay 1 kilogram. Next, meron tayong height. Height natin is 2. Then, meron tayong gravity force. Meter per second squared. So, then, ano ba yung nire-record o ano ba yung tinatanong dun sa ating problem? Required. Ang required dun sa ating problem ay work done by the force of the gravity. So, anong gagamitin natin equation formula? So, kagaya pa din ng dati, pag hinahanap si work, meron tayong F, D, tsaka yung cosine theta. Kasi hindi na natin gagamitin yung cosine theta. So, equals yan kay weight times height. Then, meron tayong mass, gravity, height. So, mas gagamitin natin ito. So, for our solution, so, rewrite natin ito. W times mgh. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given natin. So, meron tayong mass na 1 kilogram. Meron tayong gravity na 9.81 meter per second squared. And lastly, meron tayong height na 2 meters. So, now we proceed to solving this problem. So, pag sinolve natin, makukuha natin. So, i-calculate na lang natin kasi hindi kaya ng manual natin. So, 1 times 9.8 times 2. Makukuha natin ay ano? 19.62 joules. So, ang final answer natin ay 19.62 joule. Yan yung sagot.